Hello again, everyone. Today I have a larger Chic Sparrow purchase, which is not entirely going to fit into the frame, I think, but it might when I open it. So this I took out of the box because it's rather large and it was in this big bag, but it is the Bella backpack. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Really super cute. And this leather seems really, really nice. Okay, so let's see, because I had to go a little wider than I normally would. So you're seeing some of the clutter on my desk. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can. There we go. You were getting a little bit of the edge there of my. Uh-oh. Hello again, everyone. Okay, so I started this video and my camera stopped, so I had to do it again. I did an unveiling of this from the bag, but now I'm just going to put it on my table. I have my camera zoomed out a little bit, so you're seeing a little bit more mess over here than you normally would. But I wanted you to be able to see this whole item, which is the Bella backpack by Chic Sparrow. So it's really, really pretty. The leather smells like leather boots, which is really nice. And so it has these adjustable straps so that you can make them, you know, whatever length you want to make them to make the backpack comfortable. It's just a thin leather strap. So if you were to put super heavy stuff in here, I don't know that it would be that comfortable for long hikes or whatever, but I think this is a perfect city backpack for just holding the essentials. So this is the part that faces your back, and then there is a zipper pocket here, which is fairly deep, and then it has a thinner layer of leather back here that divides this pocket from the inside. And you've got this really nice contrasting strip of leather with the Chic Sparrow logo. What I like about this is it's not super on display because it's on the back like this. So you know it's Chic Sparrow, but it's not like screaming Chic Sparrow to the world. Okay, and then it has this little strap here, which you can just pull and hold onto your bag. And then in here, I already have my V6 Slim TN and an iPad mini in a case, which is kind of an older case, but which is more clunky than some. But as you can see, there's still plenty of room, so you probably could fit a smaller size laptop or a larger iPad. So so there's plenty of room in here. So this would be a good sort of everyday carry if you just want to put something on your back. And then it just zips right up, and it has a pretty thin profile. And really what's heavy about it is what I just put in there. It's not that heavy on its own. Let me take this out because those two items together are fairly heavy, but the backpack itself is very light. It's very light. Oh, and you can see here, so there's that thinner layer of leather, which is separating this main compartment from this back zippered pocket here. Okay. And this also, oops, looks like this, I might want to put some beeswax or something on that zipper. But this also comes in a model that has a big bow right here, which I think would be really cute if that's your style. I'm more of a plain bag kind of a person, so this is more my speed. But seeing this, I think this is really going to work really, really great for just, you know, the essentials. I mean, you can't super overload this because it's not huge, but I think it would be really great as an around town backpack. You have your wallet, you have your traveler's notebook, you have an iPad or your phone or keys. So this is definitely going to be a good utilitarian backpack. And the leather is really pretty. So it does seem to have some like wrinkle texture, and it seems like it can be scratched, but I guess it'll to be determined whether scratches can be buffed out. But I am a fan of things developing character, so I'm not going to be upset about that. Here's the bottom, which is sort of an oval rectangular shape here. And then here's the back again, and it has these, on the top it's all sewn. So this little handle is sewn along with the straps, and then on the bottom it has this little piece of leather attached with the metal loops for the rest of the backpack handle. So I'm really excited about this. I have actually been looking for a smaller backpack like this that can be a little bit fancier than just like, you know, a Tom Bin backpack, which is great. I love Tom Bin, but this is a little bit more, I don't want to say formal, but you know, a fancier backpack that I could use for everyday stuff. So this is just going to be a short video today because that is all I had to show you, but I do have an affiliate link below for 10% off. You can only use it once per customer, so I figured I'd let you know that, but I think this is a great addition to the Chic Sparrow line. I did not get the impression that this was going to be a limited offering, but I don't know whether they'll put it in different leathers or anything like that. It probably all depends on how popular it is, etc. So I purchased this in sort of the second restock, and it was originally listed at a lower price, and that's the price that I got it at, and then it went up in price, and that was apparently because of a calculation error. So the new price is the price that is going to be the price going forward. It's a really beautifully made backpack. I think it will last a long time, just given what I've seen as far as the construction goes. You've got this really nice panel stitching here. The only issue I had is that the zipper, both zippers can be a little bit stiff and get a little bit stuck, but I think I am going to try and put some beeswax on there. Supposedly if you put beeswax on the little, what these are called, teeth maybe, that it will flow a little bit smoother and open smoother. So I'll probably do that. And does it say? No, it doesn't say who the zipper is made by, but it does have the little Chic Sparrow logo here. It has a little CS on one side, and then on the other side it actually says Chic Sparrow, and that's on both. And what I've always liked about Chic Sparrow, oops, I've got a wire here. What I've always liked about Chic Sparrow is that their branding is not sort of in your face, which I don't generally like. Of hey, I'm a Fendi bag. Like I don't need those status symbols and those sort of things. But I like that they have this little thing that's sort of in the back, so it won't be showing all the time. And then the ones on the zippers are very subtle. And in the meantime, you're just going to have this really nice leather backpack. And like I said, if you get the bow, that would be here. So that would definitely be more of a statement piece, I would say. And I've seen a few people in the Facebook group and that sort of thing posting pictures of them wearing it, and it's actually really cute. If that were my style, I would totally get one with the bow. But like I said, I'm more of a plain bag kind of a person, so this one is more my speed. All right, well, that's all I had for you today. And I think I did mention that I have an affiliate link for 10% off down at the bottom or below this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Feel free to subscribe to my channel to keep track of future videos. And I hope to see you next time. But in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.